Hi there, Tim here with Checkerboard Realty, and I've got another video for you. This kind of falls in line with some of the others that I've done on how to do some preventative things to save money on your property, whether it's your own home or one you're renting in. Because whenever problems arise and you've got to fix them, somebody's got to pay for it, right? So today I'm going to talk about toilets and related plumbing. Now, why would I talk about a subject like that? Well, there's no lack of stories, articles, and all that kind of stuff. So you're going to see a little video pop up on the screen. What I did is I went on to Facebook, and Facebook has groups for different industries or crafts, subjects, whatever. And this one just happens to be a property management group. And I typed in the word toilet, and all these articles popped up. Numerous articles. Pictures of ugly toilets and cracked toilets, things stuck in toilets that should never be there. And that's kind of why I want to talk about this, because it's a never-ending thing in the industry, and we see it a lot. And quite frankly, plumbers make a lot of money off that stuff, and sometimes they just don't have to. So, how do we go about not having these problems? Well, when it comes to toilets, it's real simple. There's only 3 things that should be flushed down the toilet. And most of you all know exactly what those are. The first are called 1 and 2. Everybody knows that. And the last one is toilet tissue. That's it. I could go over the list of what's not to be flushed, but that would be a pretty long list. So 1, 2, and 3, that's all you got to remember. If you do that, chances are you're going to have pretty good luck with your plumbing system in your toilet. Now let me talk about one particular product that seems to get people confused, or they just don't understand. And those are those flushable baby wipes, or at least the package says flushable on it. Well, ask any plumber. They'll tell you, don't put those down the toilet. They cause problems, lots of problems. As a matter of fact, I kind of liken it to, just go ahead and flush $100 bills down your toilet and let the plumber come out and fish them out. He gets to keep them. It's that simple, okay? One other thing just comes from experience last year. Do you have one of those shelves that sits over your toilet and you have some products on there, different things? Make sure that one of those jars, bars, whatever it is, packages, doesn't fall into the toilet and then disappear. We had a situation a few months ago, happened to a tenant, and something got lodged into the toilet. It was so lodged in there, the plumber couldn't get it out. Couldn't get it out from the top. Took the toilet out, flipped it over, tried to get it out from the bottom. Nope. Ended up the tenant had to pay the full price of a brand new toilet and install. Nobody's happy about that. And if you did it in your own home, you wouldn't be happy either, right? So, when is a bad time for all this stuff to happen? Well, first of all, anytime. But it seems we always get the calls at Friday, 7 p.m. Hard to get the plumber out because they're already doing other jobs, or first thing Sunday morning. Or in the case of the tenant, whose the object fell off the little shelf thing, that was his only toilet. That was his only bathroom. That's a really big problem, and we got to fix it fast, and that just cost more money, right? So just remember, 1, 2, and 3, that's all you need to flush. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, we've started populating these on the website, on the blog page. So you can go there and see the history of all the other videos and the ones that will come up in the future. And that's all I got for you today. Thanks for stopping by.